Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly moisturize your hair to keep it moisturized and soft for days. If that is something you're interested in, then keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when next I upload a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. So my hair has been in a puff for like 5 to 6 days now, I think. If you want to see how I kept it for this long, I'll drop the link in the card here. You can check it out after watching this video. You can see how dried my hair is. I'm going to be using 3 products to moisturize my hair today. The first one is water in my spray bottle. You can mix any other thing inside your spray bottle. The next thing I'll be using an oil. You can use any oil of your choice. The last thing I'll be using is a hair butter. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is to put my hair in sections. Putting your hair in sections is going to help you manage your hair properly and get enough moisture into your hair strands. I'm going to be putting my hair into like more than 4 sections depending. So just watch me as I do that. Now that I'm done sectioning my hair, I'll just go ahead to loosen one section of my hair and then do the process. This section is actually too big, so I'm going to put it in 2 mini sections. So I'm going to be starting off with this section. So I'm going to go in first with my water. Make sure not to spray your hair with too much water that your hair is now soaking wet. You can see my hair is reviving. Water is life to the hair. No matter how dry your hair is, once you apply water to it, your hair is going to come back to life. So this part has been well tangled. So I'm just going to move on to apply my oil. My hair is not dirty, so it's not like applying oil to a dirty hair. This is for wash days or when you want to moisturize your hair before it gets dirty. I'm going to go ahead now with the oil. A little goes a long way. This is to help make sure that my hair doesn't come out greasy. So I will apply it focusing more on the ends of my hair and my scalp. Then I'll go ahead with my hair butter. It is going to help me to seal in the moisture from the water. Make sure the butter does not touch your scalp. This can lead to product build up and dandruff. I'm going to be going ahead with my wide tooth comb. Start combing like this. Then I'll gradually move upwards and gently comb down to the ends. this process you have to be very gentle so as not to lose much hair. This is just the amount of hair that I lost from this section. I'm just going to put it into twist again. You can put it into bento knots or braids or cornrows, whatever you like. This will help it to keep it stretched. If I should leave it like this, before you know it, my hair is going to shrink up. Can you see the difference? This one is dried and this one is moisturized. So I'm just going to move to the next section and do the same thing. So I'm done moisturizing my hair. You can see how my hair is well moisturized and laying flat, unlike before now that it was standing. So you can see how it is now. The moment I take this twist down, my hair would be very easy to comb through without stress or any tangles. So this is the right way to moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized for days. So before I sleep, I'm just going to put my hair in a satin bonnet, then sleep. By morning, if I'm going out like this, I'll just spray some water on my hair and then off I go. Doing this for your hair often is going to help reduce breakage and also help to retain more length. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, kindly leave a comment in the comment section and subscribe and share. Thank you for watching till this time.